Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name is Lucas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lucas. Where are you from?
I'm from France. What about you?
I'm from Japan.
Where do you live now?
I live in Tokyo. And you?
I live in Paris.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old. How about you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I work at a hospital.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers. What about you?
I have one older sister.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite food?
I really like pasta. What's yours?
I love sushi.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I enjoy playing the guitar and cycling.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. How about you?
I can speak French and a little Spanish.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy photography and writing stories.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. What about you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading the news?
Sometimes. I usually read the news online.
Have you traveled to other countries?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. How about you?
Wow, nice. I have been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a morning person. What about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like exercise?
Yes, I like running in the park.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
What kind of TV shows do you like?
I like comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What about you?
I love apples.
What is your favorite drink?
Coffee.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning. Do you enjoy art? Yes, I like visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and the piano.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema?
I prefer going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What kind of weather do you like?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy concerts.
Do you prefer working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
Ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
It was really nice talking to you, Emma.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Lucas. I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.